very cloudy now, afternoon, but I found very beautiful new leaves here. This one, I love the color and also the texture. So the combination, the color here are quite dark brown and also the green line in the middle. I love this. Okay, I think I need to use macro extension in my lens. I use Nikon D5200 kit lens. Look the sky now. That's very cloudy. And now I'm using this. Okay, so I put here this macro, not really macro actually, but I think it's enough to capture the small leaf. It's getting darker now. I think the rain's going to fall. I think enough. I have got some beautiful photos and footage. I will sell it to my stock later. I hope I got money from this photos and footage. Okay, bye.